Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the Real Plus LED work lights. It's a workshop lamp, a pack of 2, USB recharging, an inspection lamp with Swivel function. It's a magnetic-based torch workshop hand lamp. It's a nice thing because we can assemble this on our head, for example, or we can attach this to a metal object to let it rest there. This is the 2024 new upgraded model of it. They have updated the workshop lamp with 6 different modes and a light brightness from 2800K up to 6000K. These 6 light modes offers us a different choice, this making it suitable for the most environments. The 1200 mAh battery allows the continuous use of 5 hours, and the work light can be rotated 180 degrees in all directions to meet our needs. And we can free our hands. After a long study, they developed clips and headband. This is the unique design that we can wear directly on our head. That's free time for our hands on our head. That's cool. There is light. At the same time, we don't have to worry about the weight of the LED light, because they have internationally adjusted the weight of the workshop lamp. Even if we wear the lamp, our head will not feel tired, of course. That's cool. And waterproof in life. They will surely experience different weather conditions. That's why they have especially improved the LED workshop lamp for waterproofing, so that we can use the lamp normally, even in the rain. They have mounted a waterproof plug on the charging port to ensure that the waterproof of the product is there. At the same time, they also offer the 2 charging cables, so we don't have to purchase additional charging cables too. And this is the multifunctional tool light. The rechargeable LED torch is very powerful and useful. This is either for car repairs, camping, fishing, maintenance, workshops, garage, power outage, lighting, night work, and engine repairs. It is also a great stuff in emergency because we need light. Really, we need. We have magnetic, we have it handheld, and it's in headlight mode. The lamp head can rotate 180 degrees up and down and 180 degrees left and right. We can click the button to switch the color temperature. Strong light, weak light, flashing. And we have a light panel too. Strong, yellow light, and so on. And we have a white light mixed. To our mix, a long press to turn off the power directly if we need it. The battery is big enough. The IPX4X made it is waterproof, but do not go diving with that. We have 2 lamps. The input is 5 volts, so you can recharge it using a computer, for example, an AC adapter from our smartphone or something else. It is recommended to use a 5-volt 1 ampere plug for charging, and the indicator lights will show us 25, 50, 75 and 100%. We do not look directly at the light path of the light for a long time to avoid damaging our eyes. And this light supports IPX4 waterproof level. It can be exposed to rain, but it's not for soaked in water. We do not expose the light to strong impact too, but it helps us so much if we are going to make a repair in a dark area. The color temperature goes from 2800 up to 6000K. We can choose by only one knob. There is one knob on it, and this knob we can push. And we can push on it, and we can then switch between the light modes, as you can see. So that's a pack of 2. That means you do not only get 1 lamp. No. 100% more. You will get 2 lights of it. Two in one, baby. That means one is for the garage, one is for the car while we are on the road, for example. Or one is for the girlfriend and one is for yourself. A perfect and nice companion to make maintenance work, to make lightning stuff, but we have an emergency or something else, and of course, to light up your day and night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.